Hello and welcome to Coffee with Carey. I got a new cup. It's got my initial C for Carey. So pretty. I don't think I could put it in the dishwasher though. This is the first time I'm using it. Anyway, today I am finally getting around to a makeup tutorial I have been meaning to make since I first started doing this every single day, and it's a mascara tutorial. I have everything on my face today except for mascara. I think that's correct. And I wanted to share with you how I layer two mascaras that make my lashes look beyond lush. They just look the best my lashes have ever looked before. Super long and super thick. These two in combo create everything I could want. I'm holding them here. Create everything I could want in a mascara or two. If that's at all interesting, stick around. That's what we're doing. So I used to have to go to Ulta to buy these mascaras because Ulta was the only place I had that carried Essence. This is Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. It is the one you've heard me mention that is a black tube with terracotta writing. I've got to hide my eyes or it wants to focus on me. I'll insert a picture of it. And the second one is also an Essence mascara, and it is Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara that is a black tube with yellow writing, with big yellow bubble and pink writing. And when you do these in tandem, and I'm going to show you, I have no mascara on right now. Let me get a little bit closer. This one has an angled brush that the arch creates not only length, and it's a thin brush, but it also curls the lashes. So I'm not even going to curl them with the lash curler. I'm literally going to wiggle from my base to my ends, getting those little tiny corner lashes. One just regular coat. Flip it around so I can get that inner corner here. I don't know how many coats I'm going to do. I think 2 is my typical everyday, but for evening I do 3. I don't have much to say except this is going to be fabulous, so I don't even know. I'm not even talking in between. I don't want to let it dry too much, so I'm going to open, oh, I have a backup. Oh, maybe that was a little dry. Let me open this one and see if this is the newer one. Hang on. Is this one count as one? Does this count as 1 coat or 2? Okay, we'll go 2 light coats. And then I'm going to go with the thickening one, which is Get Big Lashes. And I'm going to, this one's not brand new, so I'm going to roll the brush along the inside. Make sure there's nothing on the tip. Now, I don't feel like I really need to thicken the ones on the inner corner, the smaller lashes, but from the center to the outer corner. The trick here is to get the base. Now, I will admit to you that on some days, if I really want them to look almost crazy, I'll show you, separating as I go if they start to clump. What I will do with the Lash Princess is I will make sure there's nothing on the tip. This is how to get like the best thick crazy lashes without clumping, and it won't flake off either. Is I'm going to go on the top and just gently kind of coat the outer half of my lashes from the center out. And that, now I'm just going to lift them back up again because I weighed it down a little bit. Lifted them back up and let that dry. This is what that's looking like so far. I think that's long enough, and I'm going to go back with a second coat of the Get Big Lashes. You know, I really should have brought a little lash comb with me. Do you have a lash comb? Little metal comb. Usually folds up. I don't feel like I'm getting a ton here with this, but it's just kind of enough to thicken it up a tiny bit and to separate them. I don't feel like it's a full, like, coated every inch of my lashes, but I feel like it was enough to do a little something, and then this would be the final mascara look. I'm afraid to look up. I don't want to get any mascara on my droopy lids here. That's what I've been doing lately for these lashes that people think I have fake lashes on or that I had extensions or something. It's just been the Latisse, and I know you know I use that. Here's the link to my Latisse video and how to use that so that you don't have any issues and it lasts a good long time. But otherwise, it's just been this method of layering the two mascaras, and just for the fun of it, for giggles. Let me see if I can separate these a little bit more with this thinner brush and what happens. I feel like I could layer. I think it's starting to dry too much. Yeah, that added a little tiny bit of separation, and I got some of the baby lashes with a second coat towards the center. They look like pretty long lashes, right? It's a win-win situation. They're inexpensive, they're under $5. Two of them are $10. Two mascaras are $10 or less, so less than you'd pay for a brand at Ulta or at Sephora, and you get this kind of a result. I think drugstore mascara is the way to go. Essence has like 8 different varieties. I've tried all of them. These two working together are ideal with everything I need. I have some other makeup tutorials coming up this week. I'm taking a little hiatus, a couple days at least, from dating advice. If you're new here, I am a matchmaker, a dating coach out of the Chicago area, and I like makeup. So I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, thanks for being here today, and have a good one.